Hi everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. This is Taz. Today we're going to look at the third in a trio of brand new curly styles by Raquel Welch. This one's Flirt Alert in the color Fiery Copper, which is RL3129. Flirt Alert is the shortest of the three. It has some really cute deconstructed curl and a longer front. Let's get up close on this color. This is one of my favorite reds of all time. There's a lot going on. It's a very dynamic red color. You're going to find a medium auburn, which is the more of the browner tones that you see there. You're going to find a medium copper, which appears to be a little more red. And then around the face and dispersed throughout are these fine highlights made of a pale red gold blonde. It's a very dynamic color, but it's not rooted. Flirt Alert has an 8.5-inch bang area here, front area. So that's going to stretch an inch or so below most chin lengths here, and it is curly. We have about a 10-inch crown and a 4-inch nape, and that 10-inch crown and that 4-inch nape kind of meet to form a little bit of a ledge effect there, which gives some body and volume and shape to the bottom. There's a 7-inch layer here on the sides, which gives you, it just really accentuates that curl and gives you a little bit of volume there on the sides. It has a temple-to-temple lace front and a left monofilament side part. Let's go ahead and linger on the lace front. Just like the other two, very fine knots going on there. The highlight is brought right up to the root. You can see through to the appearance of scalp from that monofilament part, so it's done very well there. It weighs about 3 1/4 ounces and then has an open wefted sides and back. Taking a look at this curl pattern for a moment, it's extremely deconstructed here, and it's very choppy due to some of the layering. It just really kind of has a ledge effect here at the bottom, which accentuates all that curl. Let's compare this to some styles like Gabor Modern Motif, Tony of Beverly's Isla. Now those are that big wave curl, Henry Margou's Peyton. They form these big soft curls at the bottom that kind of pool at the bottom, and I think that's beautiful, but it's more fussy and sophisticated, I think, than what you're going to find here on Flirt Alert. This is a very casual style. Now if you did want those big barrely soft curls, this is made from heat-friendly fiber, so you could probably attempt to put those in. You know what, this volume is very nice. Now you're going to get a lot of volume just because of this curl that's doing a lot of the work. The hair amount is just a medium to average density. It doesn't feel thick or heavy at all. The denier of the fibers is very soft and smooth, kind of velvety to the touch. And the permatease, we do have a thin layer of permatease around that monofilament part, just a little bit at the crown, not necessarily a big bump it. The way the fibers are sewn in at the crown, it kind of gives it some height without having to have a lot of permatease. I don't sense anything but a thin layer of permatease on the sides, the temple area, maybe a little bit at the back, and none at the nape. So this is very light-handed on the permatease. That's really going to free up the movement of these curls. So those curls can act a little bit more independently, I think, when there's less permatease scaffolding underneath. I do want to compare this to the second one that I reviewed in this trio of new curly styles, and this one is SIMMER. SIMMER's in the color Shaded Cappuccino, which is RL1222. So be sure to catch my review on that. So this one's going to be a little bit longer. SIMMER has an 11.5-inch front as opposed to the 8.5 inches here on SIMMER or on Flirt Alert. An 11.5-inch crown and about a 6-inch nape as opposed to the 10-inch crown and the 4-inch nape. So all in all, it's probably going to be 3 inches or so longer than Flirt Alert. SIMMER also has a full monofilament top where Flirt Alert just has the left-hand monofilament side part. You're going to find a lot more volume on Flirt Alert than you are on Simmer, although the amount of permatease is about the same on them. It's just the layering and the structure, the curl structure here, that's giving Flirt Alert a lot more volume. So I'm wearing the Simmer in the shaded cappuccino to take a look at the inside of the cap for Flirt Alert. There's that lace front that does extend back halfway through the ear tab. Very beautiful coverage there. Very fine knotting. The mono part goes nearly back to the crown. Got a little bit of closed top here just to place for some of the permatease. A nice velvet ear tab with sturdy, big sturdy stays. An extended nape with Velcro adjusters. This style has a lot of stretch. Right out of the box, it's true to average. I did have to cinch in the adjusters to make an appropriate fit for my petite average circumference. This is one style I think that could probably stretch up to a large size. So with Flirt Alert, even though there's minimal permatease, I still think you can get some lift all around the top area, right around that part, if you want it. There's enough curl to support that big look if that's what you wanted. So I do like this style with glasses. Those glasses easily fit between the ear and the ear tab. It doesn't feel like they're going anywhere. There's not a lot of permatease there above the ear, so I think this is a very comfortable situation for your glasses. This has been a review of the new Raquel Welch Flirt Alert in the color Fiery Copper RL31 29. See you next time on TAZSWIG Closet.